Mortgage Minute Monday, and today we're talking about the mysterious and wonderful world of credit, starting by looking at this wheel of credit. So what you see here is a breakdown of how your credit score is determined, what factors go into building that credit score. We'll start with our biggest section here, the orange section, which is 35% of your credit score, and that's your payment history. Make your payments. Make your payments on time. 35% of your credit score is based on that. The next one we have is 30%. It's a great number because we're looking at the amounts owed. Now when creditors look at the amount owed, we're talking about the amount of your credit line that you are using. So don't max those out. Keep them below 30% balances. Next we have 15%, which is the length of your credit history. So if you are a parent or a student, get credit. Start building that credit early so by the time you're an adult you need to use that credit, you've got it established. Next we have 10%, which is new credit applied for recently. Remember not to go to every store and just apply for credit just because you have $10 off or a 15% discount. Open credit wisely. And that also ties right into our last category here, which is the types of credit. Use your credit in a variety of ways. Use it for car loans. Use it for secured credit cards. Get varieties of it to continue to build on your credit score here. In the next couple of videos, I'm gonna dive in some more on some credit tips. So if you're someone looking for a credit repair or someone looking to build your credit score on your own, stay tuned and give me a call when you're ready to buy your home.